If you're encountering the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2025, this guide will help you troubleshoot and recover your saved data. Follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Access the game settings through your game launcher and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that CS2 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including cloud save errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to the game support team. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you've already taken for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your game. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the community or support channels.